So here's interesting app. It's called Music X Pro. So this is one of the top alternatives to Music app. So Music app was deleted and it was removed from App Store. So Google was not happy with it. And now, yeah, this is kind of alternative app for Music. If you wanna have a better organization system to better organize your files, discover new artists, build playlists, and bookmark your favorites, this is the app. And it integrates with iCloud, with Dropbox, with Google Drive, OneDrive, and more. You can create personalized playlists so you can easily curate the perfect soundtrack for any occasion. Monthly subscription if you want to remove ads, and that's what it is. Then you can just open it. So it's quite advanced. So here it is. There is a menu where you can change countries. So depending on which country you select, it will show you different video suggestions and different trending. So now you can see what's been trending in United States for the music. Then app language you select here, app color you select as well. So you can just select whatever you like. Podcast alerts you can set up here. Data saver mode if you low on battery. Theme you can select light or dark. Edit home screen. You can also select different menus, different tabs, or make this app quite minimalistic. Then sleep timer, you can enable it. Media quality, select from here. Quick skip times, so how much you want to skip. Playback order. Gestures. Subtitle settings. And then player suggestions, radio, tuning sound. So a lot of things here, a lot of settings. Then you can also lock your app with a Face ID. And if you want to remove ads, that's just $3 per month. And that's basically it. So that's the idea here of the app. And then you can just go and find a lot of things. And then, you can just go to a playlist and create a new playlist. So here is a new list, which you can name whatever you like. Just go and save it. And then you can just search library. See what's here. Ooh, so that doesn't. So I added. All right, so this is just, I added my playlist, but then I can just search music here. And then when I have some music, I can see all the trending. And then, for example, I can just tap here and add to playlist. And then I can select quality, play related, mix related, other version, play next. And then I could just want to add to playlist like this. And then it's being added. So, this UI is just a bit more simple and cleaner compared to YouTube. Sometimes, like YouTube Music, of course, it owns all the library, but then this app is so much easier to organize all your playlists. It's just so much easier. I don't know why YouTube just doesn't do this kind of app itself. And then, you can rename, you can export, you can delete it. So that's basically the idea here. They're annoying ads, but if you want, you can remove them for $3 per month. And then it also sees some top charts from Spotify. There you have it. That's the app. How it's called? So it's Music X Pro built by Seka. So it seems this is just some like a individual developer, and there you have it.